Hi, how are you? You can see here a nice canvas. We're going to draw a simple scenery. For that purpose, let's draw a straight line from left to the right, then another curved line just coming up to the last end here. Then you can see the curve goes on again, coming back, and just curved line close to the right corner. Awesome. With the inclined pencils, we're just putting few shades from the top to the downward directions in some points, not for the whole area. Okay, all right, here just we're putting few outlines with the pencils. Okay, let's make the water banks or water sides a little bit thicker, adding the depths and the shades within the canvas. Okay, here also putting shades. Okay, so this is the land area. Also this is going to be somewhat darker. All right, here we're going to see some tree lines. Okay, so this is the bottom going to the top, lots of branches you can see here, another tree for the companion. All right, so putting some grasses at the bottom layer. You can see the reflections of the trees just falling on the water. All right, here you can put the grasses. And fill up the shades with the pencil works. Awesome. So the outlines you can see here looks very nice just now. So in a far distance, sometimes you can see the taller trees. These are the taller trees. So simple sketch. Also we can add some fences here. Okay, so for 3D outlook, we're just adding different styles for the poles, bamboo poles. This is on the banks, so looks like a fence itself. Okay, and here just putting some inner strokes. For the grasses, I'm just putting few symbols. All right, so this is it. If you like, you can put a little bit details for the trees on top. Without trees, that's also different types and looks good. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.